Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Knowledge. So in this video we are going to see the stress-free molecular docking using Autodock VNAM with the help of Samson, the molecular docking software. This Samson, it is nothing but a software for adaptive modeling and simulation of nanosystems. You can download it free. The download links are provided in the description part. So you can get the academic license and you can use this software for your molecular docking investigations. There is an inbuilt Autodock VNA wizard is available in this Samson software. So once you sign up in that website, so this is the Samson software website, the samson-connect.net. So when you see this, it is used to design drugs, materials and nanosystems faster with integrated molecular modeling. Okay, so it is very user friendly. Even the newbies can learn it very quickly. So when you see this in that the elements tab, there is a Autodock VNA element is available. So it is free of cost, so you can add it. So for that, first of all, you have to sign in this Samson website. So you can use any email address and create a password and sign in. Okay, you have to create a new one. Even that is also absolutely free. So these are the details it will be asked when you are signing up: the first name, last name, email address, organization and password, confirm password. And why would you like to use this Samson software? You have to just give a few lines here and check this. I agree the terms and use and sign up. You will get an email from this Samson Connect. Okay, in that email there will be the key is available for the installation of this Samson software. So you can go to the download tab and you can download this. Okay, so using that key which is sent by the Samson to your email, you can easily install this. Once you installed it, in this Samson Connect elements, there you can have to add this element. Along with this, these are the other elements. Okay, a protein aligner, a GROMACS interaction models, protein data bank downloader, and GROMACS wizard light, hydrogen bonds finder, normal mode analysis. Okay, gzip importer, pdp trajectory loader, export along paths. All these elements are also available. In the next video we will see a detailed step by step procedure to do the molecular dynamics using this GROMACS wizard. Okay, that is also a very simple one. So in this tutorial we will check molecular docking using this Samson Connect. Once you open install and open the Samson software, the window it will be appearing like this. This is the asset tab. You can close this. Okay, and home, all regular user friendly buttons are available in this. You can download, open, share, save as, close, all these things. So very easily you could learn. In that edit also you can add arrays, the atoms you can add. You can add the rings, periodic table for the molecular editor. And visualization, how do you want to visualize that protein model? Everything you can do it using this tab. And in that biology you can select the water alone or ions alone or receptor alone or ligands, binding site, everything in a single click. You can do this with the help of this Samson software. And apps, already I have added two elements. One is Autodock VNA, another one is GROMACS wizard. When you click Autodock VNA here, and there will be another tab, it will be open. So using this only we are going to do the docking now. And in that editors, the same thing. For the modeling, what are the functions you can do it using this, that is given here. And in the interface, node tips, whenever you place on any nodes an instruction, it will be coming, that is nothing but the node details. And even it will be providing the tips in the document view. When you click it, what are the molecules you have added in this pan, all the details it will be appearing here. And even you could see the logs Okay, and you can update and you can add, you can get assets using this tab. So this is the helping tab. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the downloaded protein here. So once you click that to open, okay, the opening window, it is like this, molecular docking trainings. Once you click the downloaded protein, then it will be asking the options. Okay, the one structural model for mole, so it will create a separate structural model for each molecule in the PDP model. Okay, all these the general options it will be asking. So you click OK. Once you click it, you could visualize the protein here. Okay, even in that here the document tree, the 6LU7 PDP is loaded. So you can select this and you could take this picture and you could save it as a snapshot. That also you can do it. Okay, so this will be useful to zoom in and zoom out. You could rotate like this, the crew okay, a rubric cube, it is like this, so you can rotate in whatever the direction you want. Very simple, much user friendly. Everyone can try this one. Once you try this, then you will not go away from this Samsung. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is the general procedure for molecular docking. So I'm going to click the biology tab here. In that biology tab, first I'm going to remove that water molecules. So once you select that water molecules, you could see all the water molecules are selected. Okay, then you press delete, then automatically it will be deleted. Or you can expand this, and in that you can go and select all the water molecules and you could delete it. Okay, so what we are going to do is now we are going to select the binding site. So to do that, first you detect the ligands. So click the ligands here. Okay, so these are the ligands, the native ligands. Around that native ligands, okay, we are going to select that active site residues. So for that you have to click binding sites. So select binding sites pop up. It will be asking auto detect ligands. No, already we have detected the ligands. Use the current selection as the ligands, and distance from ligands of 5 Armstrong unit. So around this ligands 5 Armstrong unit distance, okay, it will be selecting all the active site residues. When you click OK, here it will be okay selected. You very carefully you see this. Okay, see, now these are the things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this as the separate group. So right click it and create group. In that group, what I'm going to write is binding sites. Binding site, click OK. See here, a node is selected here. So you have to double click to select the group nodes. Single click, you double click it, automatically it will be selected. So based on this, we are going to draw the grid box, okay, in the later steps that we will see. Before that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the ligand, that native ligand, and right click it, erase selection. The native ligand is deleted here. Water molecules were deleted and native ligands were deleted. Okay, now I am selecting that whole protein. You right click it, okay, adjust the hydrogens. The hydrogens were added. Okay. So all these basic steps I have done it. Now I am going to bring the drug molecule into this. Okay, so the ciprofloxacin drug, which is downloaded from a drug bank website. Okay, see here, it is brought. Okay, so the initial procedures were done. Now with the help of this Autodock Vina extended element, first we have to select the receptor. In order to select the receptor, I am clicking that 6LU7. The entire protein molecule is selected. Okay, so now you click set, it is selected. Then flexible side chains, if is there any flexible side chains, you have to select those side chains here. Okay, then next one is a single ligand. Another one important feature of this Samson software is you can dock using the single ligand or multiple ligands. Okay, with the help of that ligand library folder. In one folder, if you have a 10 ligands, okay, when you select the path of that folder here, all the 10 ligands will be docked with that single receptor. Okay, that also you can do it. Everything is user friendly. Very simply you can do this docking. So now I am selecting that single ligand only. For that I am clicking that cipro pdp. Only that drug molecule is selected, that I am setting as single ligand. Okay, it is done. Then minimize the ligands before docking. This is another one important step, which is the added feature in this Autodock Vina extend element in Samson software. Okay, normally in regular Autodock Vina, or previously we have seen okay, the Pyrex, in those things the minimization of ligand step is not that much of included, but here that minimizing ligand step is included, so you can check this one. Then next one is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that binding site residues within that grid box. So already we have grouped that binding site residues here. When you double click it, only those residues are selected. So now you move this box, you double click it and you place a cursor, you move this box and you enclose completely all the active site residues. You rotate it and you check whether all the active site residues are enclosed within that box, grid box. See, now some of the atoms are outside, residues are outside. Here you can still reduce it. You rotate in all the three directions and you check. That's all. That is enough. Okay. Even when you change it, automatically the XYZ and center Y XYZ, the parameters, it will be changed automatically. If you want to show the grid, you can show the grid or you can hide it. Okay. Then exhaustiveness. Exhaustiveness, normally 8 it will be selected. If you increase the number, okay, to higher end, the more search it will be done by this Autodock Vina. Okay, normally 8 is the best one that you can do it. Then how many number of outputs you need, okay, the number of modes you need, that you can select it. Okay, that basically what I'm going to do is I will be selecting that as a 10. Still if you want more number, okay, then more modes you can enter it here. Then you click dock ligand. Once you press this one, automatically the step is started. Okay, it will be appearing here. So you have to wait till 100% is completed. Okay, it is done. Now when you check it in that document tree tab, okay, in that interface, the document view tab, you could check all the modes here. The initial confirmation, when you double click it, okay, it will be there. And mode 1, when you double click it, now you could see previously in the initial confirmation, when you double click it, the ciprofloxacin is here. In mode 1, when you click it, the ciprofloxacin is there. It is inside that protein. You could check it. And before docking itself, these green colors are rotatable bonds. You can edit those rotatable bonds. You can maintain this bond as the rotatable or okay, not rotatable. That also you can do it in this Samson software. This is also one of the added feature. Okay, like this. Then mode 2, that binding energy is given here, and mode 2, everything you can check it here. Like this you can do it. The 10 modes I have okay, I gave, that's why 10 modes are generated. You can give any number of modes here. Then where all these outputs are stored, that we are going to see. So normally when you install this Samson software, you have to go to that C drive, their users, then in that user okay, folder, there you could see 1 angstrom, that you double click it. There you could check the Samson application and that version. and the binaries, you could see what are the binaries are loaded here, that you could check it. Then packages, okay, what are the packages are there, that also you can check it here. So like this it is installed. This is the installation folder. So where these output files are stored, now you can check it here. So you go to C colon, and there use app data, there local. Again if you check it here, here 1 Armstrong folder will be there. So this is important, this path is very important. Users, okay, in your username, app data and local 1 Armstrong will be there, there Samsung data. When you go into this folder, okay, there a scratch folder will be there, there all the output files will be stored in Autodoc Vina. The ligand docked, this is the log file. When you open it, okay, it will be telling all the Autodoc Vina output details here. What is the affinity value and RMSD values, it will be seen here. And ligand docked PDPQT, okay, and the ligand PDPQT, that is the initial confirmation, and the receptor rigid PDPQT, everything it will be there. So this ligand docked, it has all the 10 poses inside. So using Autodoc Vina split exe file, you can separate individual, and you could see with the help of any visualizer like a Discovery Studio, okay, or PyMol and everything. Already, okay, we did this step in our previous videos, okay, so kindly check those videos how to separate the individual poses from the combined docked poses. Okay, so this Samsung software, it helps you to do the molecular docking process stress freely and much user friendly. Try this, okay friends. If you like this video, kindly subscribe okay, this channel, and share these videos to other researchers and your friends, okay, so that they could also learn this one. Thank you friends.